Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to use and integrate NOTA 142 in a Dante network. The first step is to configure a Dante device to function as an AES67 source on Dante controller. Open the device view and navigate to the RTP config tab. Then select the AES67 RTP mode and reboot the device. Now navigate to the Transmit tab and click Add in the Multicast Transmit Flows section. Select the AES67 option under Audio Flow Config and choose the channels you want to transmit. Now, it's time to subscribe to the AES67 stream that was created in Dante controller using Harmonia Plus. Make sure that Dante AES67 communication is active by turning on the radio button in the Communication Manager for Harmonia Plus. Go to the Config tab, click on the Input function, and then select the channel of the stream that you want to subscribe to. Also, it is possible to do the AES67 input patching and configure NOTA via web page. Find the IP address of your NOTA 142. The simplest method for this is to open Harmonia Plus and hover over the device in the Design-Match tab. Under Input Patching, the AES67 streams that you created in Dante controller will appear. Simply select the wanted channels and that's it. Your NOTA is receiving audio from a Dante device. We can also transmit channels from the NOTA to Dante devices. Select the arrow tab situated on the bottom left. Double-click the amplifier and navigate to the Options tab. Here click Edit on the AES67 Settings tab. Here you can deselect Auto and manually select the source you would like to transmit. As soon as you change the source from none to something, such as physical in, you will see the NOTA 142 available in Dante controller as a transmitter. And it will be possible to patch both transmitted channels of the NOTA 142 to the Dante device without any problem. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate NOTA in a Dante environment.